Where?
You'll see it drip. You'll see it drip.
Wait for it to drip. Yeah, so
No, did it drip?
so yeah. So it drip. That's causing all of this. It's after they're sucking it out, it's going back into the ground.
Yeah.
See? Makes no sense. When I came in here, there was a big puddle here, and it's done this. It's done this whole line. All of this is damp.
And why is there water in this one? Was that one doing the same thing?
There was a big puddle here.
Yeah.
And
He's
it
not, these things, these humidifiers, they've got leaks.
You need to set it up properly.
It's supposed to come out and go straight to the bucket.
I'm saying in this bucket, you just empty. They ain't done. They ain't hooked it up properly. It hasn't been hooked up properly. I don't know. So,